query ki just hold on.
Okay.
Yeah. So for seventh chapter, we have to go to page number 105. As is seventh chapter. So
Okay,
this
okay.
is alternative program 7.2.
Yeah. 107. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. This. So next, can you go down next page?
Yeah.
This program, the alternative program. So इसमें else if less than 20, less than 40, less than 60, less than 60. So I mean इसमें range ही लिखी ना 20 to 40. तो less than 40 में तो बहुत सारे आ जाएंगे ना, जो less than 20 वाले हैं वो भी आ जाएंगे.
No. See, what will happen? That's why I said there's a difference between your where and if. So what will happen? That much number is already selected. When you say if age is less than 20,
Okay.
so next label when you say age less than 40, so it's not going to take your 20. Less than 20 won't be
अच्छा.
considering up.
Okay.
It's a conditional statement.
Okay. अच्छा.
It's automatically going to be filtered.
Okay. ठीक है. और मैं next page ये 7.7 है.
Yeah. 7.7. Okay.
7.7 caution with. तो इसमें पेज नंबर 112.
7.7 na example.
7.7. Yeah.
Yeah. 6. Yeah.
The 7.7 की caution is operated. So if you go to next page, इसी में next page, look, ये this is next page. हाँ, yeah. इसमें लिखा है कि in SAS, so over here in program 7.7, so in SAS there is one condition on either side of the over one. So in SAS any value other than 0 or missing is true. So इसका मतलब
So see, we were discussing something now. This we are using a logical operator, correct? And it always returns the value into true and false.
Okay.
Correct? So when you're using this condition called or and correct and not, it always works on gives your output into true and false. So when I say if let's say age equal to 5, so this is correct. Here we are not doing anything. This is the correct statement, and directly we are saying it should be 5, correct? Or now you're telling about some different condition, or it could be anything. When you say it should return the value into true and false, or you're saying 5, but it should not be minus than 0. It should not be negative. Getting it?
Okay.
So if you try to get negative, you can try one thing. Now when you write the query, you give a negative value and try to do it. You'll get no. So that's why it always returns a value into true and false. Or it could be anything, na? I'm not telling it. You go and look for the value. Or returns the true value. Here we are not talking about any false value. We are talking about all true value. So it could be anything. So that's why it mentioned there and below.
अच्छा. तो इसमें
See, therefore 4 is evaluated as true if the statement of x is equal to 4.
और ये period वाला,
This period.
हाँ, this period वाले को भी true interpret करेगा.
Missing also we are considering.
Okay. Single.
So that's why be careful whenever using or. Should not use like this way they used it.
Okay. एक मुझे रवि पूछा था, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल से इफ स्टेटमेंट में इफ आई एम यूजिंग इफ जेंडर इज इक्वल टू एफ, एफ इज अ कैरेक्टर, तो वो एफ इज यूजुअली पुट इन सिंगल कोट्स और डबल कोट्स,
No,
मतलब
see,
इस ग्राउंड
so,
बॉडी में चेक
yeah, no, no, no,
वही
no.
मैक्रो वाला फंडा आ जाएगा फिर इसमें.
So when you're macro,
ओके
you'd be
मेरा
careful
मैक्रो.
in double quotes. And when you in data steps, all those things, you can use single quote and double quote to anything, whatever you want.
तो एक चीज एक इसमें स्टेटमेंट थी कि हाँ, if statements are not allowed inside SAS procedures, ये 7.8 में लेंगे. इस स्टेटमेंट का मतलब क्या हुआ, मतलब
Where you saw here,
ये note 7.8 last line note.
if statement are not allowed in SAS procedures. So now what happen when you use your proc statement?
Okay, अच्छा हाँ, it's a procedure statement, right.
So in procedure you won't able to allow use this if statement.
Oh,
So
okay.
when if I use proc print data is equal to SAS user dot admit, correct? This data set we have. So now let me run. I'm able to run now. So we have sex is equal to male and female, correct? Now go ahead and change it where you wanted to use look only for where sex related to male. Now try to execute. Now it works, correct?
Right.
Now try to use if condition. We can use instead of where, correct? Now see, your color is not getting changed.
Oh,
So where if is not allowed anywhere in proc statement, except only in proc report.
okay.
So you read all those things, correct? Then good.
Yeah.
That's why I said something should be there in by yourselves to read.
Yeah.
It's a one-time job.
Yeah, it's a one time. So I underline all these things. So revision के time में थोड़ा आसानी पड़ती है, ये highlights होते हैं.
Mhm. And keeping this 10 minutes, 15 minutes for revision is also good so that you'll get clear on all those topics.
Yeah. Yeah, so we can continue.
Okay, done na? Where and if.
Done.
Now we little will talk about this do loop, which is very important. Okay, so why we use do loop? The important part is to use do loop to things to process in repetitive one. Let's say if I use data new or total. Okay, now the question is what output I'll get. If I run this program, what I'll get as output. How many records?
6,000 ही read करेगा.
सिर्फ 6,000 आएगा. Why? Because it's a concept of PDV where you're initializing a value only which is under current statement. Correct? Let's say a people with you gave 2 rupees. Again, you took 2 rupees and gave 4 rupees. Again, you took 4 rupees and gave 6 rupees. So someone will ask what is there in hand. It will be 6 rupees. Correct? Same thing happening over here itself. So in the same way, if I wanted to keep this all value into a total column, so we have to use like this. Remove all. So you're getting 6000, correct? Now try to look for this new 4, you will able to get this value. But you know things how we are going to work with all number of values, where without using of this, if I have some function which can repeat it according to s, correct? So do loop is going to help you to process in a repetitive mode, correct? Many programming, all those things provide the way of accumulation, the chapter do groups, all those things. Now see demonstrate containing information was stored, all those things. So I'll go to this where they have provided you a meaning. Okay, so leave it. So generally do groups, what does it provide you to process iteratively. Let's say if I wanted to repeat this number into 10 times, so we cannot do it again. So we have to initialize this. Let's say I wanted to do like this, where data my set, not set, I can use do I equal to 1 to 20, and let's say I wanted to rotate for 100 times. So if I can say total equal to, then we need to multiply this and we need to initialize in a different way. So like 1000 rupees, let's say I wanted to keep it, correct? Then end, then run. Correct? This much time we can iterate it, correct? So do loop helping you to do a iteration works, correct? So now the simple thing is, when PDV we if you look for PDV of this, let's say PDV of this, and if you look the PDV of this, it will be remain same. So here we are initializing as PDV as 1, correct? So it is not going to be described as 4, 5, 6. So my PDV is lastly 1. But if you look the PDV of this, so same again. See, my PDV is not getting changed, correct? But only iteration is getting changed.
Oh, अच्छा.
So with the help of do loop, you can iterate it, but there is no effect with your PDV.
Okay.
Getting it? So the way we were not able to do it in normal programming, which we can do it by here do loop. The general syntax for a do loop is your do index variable. So variable is nothing but the name of a iteration headings.
Right. Right.
Then start to end by increment.
Okay.
Okay, and by increment. So generally it look like this. Do I use anything? Let's say I use year, correct? YEAR equal to, I should start with, let's say 199922009 by 2 years of increment. So if I use, so if I use 2 increment of this, we will get, first will be your 1999, the next will be 199 plus 2, correct? 2001, then again add 2, then 2003, then again 2, 5, then again 2, you'll be get 7, then again you'll get 9, correct? So the observation will get like that. Okay, so do group always end with the block of end.
Okay.
So in between whatever you wanted to write, that is going to execute that much number of times.
Okay.
So all iteration
Acha,
is
okay. Okay.
so whatever you're going to write inside of this do block,
Mm-hmm.
that is going to iterate that number of times.
Okay.
Getting it?
Mm-hmm.
So let's say data new do I equal to 1 to 10. I wanted to write create a 10 2 ka table.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll create table 2 ka table I wanted to create. So it should be 2, 4, 6, 8,
Yeah.
10, all those 6, correct? So I can write 1 into your I value, which is there in top. It is going to iterate it again back. So why we below we are going to use output? What happen each and every time when your output is getting generated at each iteration level, you need to store somewhere, correct?
Yeah.
So if you wanted to store, you use output. If you don't want to store, you wanted to store last value where this is going to be false, then you can use your AND keyword.
Okay.
See, now it is not working. Why? You have to use 2 over here.
Okay.
Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Same, you can try with up to 10 ka table. Okay. Now another thing is there, if you wanted to run your loop by reverse order, what we can do here?
Mm-hmm.
I can write 10 over here,
Okay.
then 1 by minus 1.
Okay.
Correct?
Mm-hmm.
We are getting reverse loop.
Yeah.
In a loop, we don't have a direct functions to make a reverse like this. We cannot do it. We don't have any options. If you try to do it, you won't able to get any output. Loop work start to end, not reverse.
Okay.
See, 0 observation. You won't get any observations. Loop never works reversely.
नहीं सॉरी एक मिनट कैन यू रिपीट अगेन बट अभी हमने 10 to 1 किया था ना अच्छा 10
Yeah.
to 1 अच्छा 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 बट माइनस बाय नहीं लिखा था ओके ओके
So each and every time you are minusing it, then it works.
yeah okay हाँ हाँ got it
So here you can use increment or decrement, whatever you want. With the help of that, you can execute it. Getting it? So whatever you write over here, that is going to iterate number of times based on your loop. Great. Now earlier we were talking about this if condition where we have to create based on one condition, we have to create the condition, correct? Create the new statement where we are not able to get it, correct? So now remember that we will use if your 6 is equal to male, then okay, then we have to offer, let's say f of is equal to, let's say 20% I have to give, correct? Or one more block we have to create a data set, and we have to say offer, let's say under the name, let's say I wanted to provide t-shirt with your. So if we are trying to do this, okay, what happened? Data mr set sas user dmat, correct? We are using this and we are trying to, based on single same condition, we are trying to write two query, correct? So we are providing for male only t-shirt with 20% discounts.
right
So but we are writing in 2 times. Now what happen? With the help of do, what we can do, we'll remove this. Here we'll write do, make it down, remove this whole one. You with the if condition only you can have one statement. With the help of do, you can create multiple statement. Now,
Okay.
this also will fine. I can reduce my job. So if you wanted to create multiple, you have to write multiple do if statement, correct? By this condition. So many times you
नहीं,
have to
but
write.
so my question is technically output में female नहीं आना चाहिए, right? क्योंकि
किसमें?
output में
और क्यों?
अच्छा, okay, sorry, 20% t-shirt, अच्छा ठीक है, right, मुझे तो
So we are
confusion.
using do group. Whatever you
Yeah,
write
yeah.
between that is going to iterate number of time
हाँ
when
हाँ
condition is going to met.
हाँ हाँ. Yeah, got it.
You can use now. Let's say you can insurance. You can use if a premium is paid on this correct date. Correct. So you can say if premium is paid on current date, we'll give this reward of 10%
हाँ.
for a past consecutive 3 months. If not, we won't pay it. So you'll get the new data set where it will say if a premium per particular person paid, anyone paid for a consecutive 3 months and a current time, we'll give them a offer, and we'll give them offer with 20% discount, or we'll give them offer by something, and we'll send this data set to the person in finance to approve it. We generally do like that.
Yeah.
Correct. So now if you come to this book, okay, the same thing they'll be explaining, because this all general way. This only get rotated. See, we are using correct. Same they're talking about this here. Less than younger and age is less than. You are creating two variables. Here you can do calculation also. Correct. Here also you can do calculations. So when you go to your data set, all work master. So you can say okay. Yeah, fee equal to. So you can have this calculation too also. Hello.
Yeah. I just got disconnected.
Yeah, now I created the query in a different way, where I'm saying it, where sex is equal to male, and then I am creating an offer based on their fee. Okay. On the basis of fee, if 20% I'm getting it, if their 20% is more than 20, then you should get offer. So what will happen?
I cannot hear you.
Hello?
Hello. Yeah. Now I can hear you.
Yeah, see here, what I'm doing, and new, I thought different query, where I'm saying I'm creating an offer price of, okay, how much offer based on their fee amount. If you go and look your data set, so there is a fee
Okay.
column, okay. some
Okay.
amount of fee. On a fee, we are giving 20%.
Okay.
Okay, if they're 20%, if they're reaching up to 20%, if their percentage is 20 above, then they should get
Mm-hmm.
offer. So this will be based on their fee amount. So if you go and look, so we have
Okay.
created this column. So these people will get offer only. This
Okay.
person is not going to get. Their amount is very less.
Okay.
Based, so it's not coming up 20%.
Hmm. Ah. Okay. Acha.
So you can create
Ah.
logically question like that.
Okay. 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 So if fees if fees for 20% is greater than
हाँ, if see, अगर
yeah.
कोई amount है, let's say you are paying, let's say for buying, let's say that is the amount of buying. So
Uh-huh.
in a mall there is offer going on if a person purchasing on their
Mm-hmm.
purchase of 20%. So what will happen if they are
Okay.
purchasing for 1,000 rupees? Okay,
Yeah. 20% of
on
200.
20% will calculate whatever the amount
Acha.
we are
Okay.
getting. On that, if they are achieving more than 20%, we'll give them offer. So person came
Okay.
and they bought something Apple for 50 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
So 50%, 50 का 20% तो बहुत कम आएगा.
Yeah.
So that people is not eligible to get offer.
Okay. Okay.
So we have just, you can do calculation like that. This I'm telling it.
Mm-hmm.
And you can
Mm-hmm.
create the
Okay.
multiple data. It is very useful when you have a large amount of data sets.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is
Mm-hmm.
very easy, na? And later
Yeah.
also, what you can do below, if you wanted to get only a data set related to T-shirt. So here,
Mm-hmm.
if offer name is equal to T-shirt, only those type
Mm-hmm.
of data set only you'll get.
Mm-hmm.
See, now we have synced the
Mm-hmm.
data set. We
Okay.
got only a data related with a amount of this fee and who is benefited. We'll send them for a finance department to get approved.
Okay.
Getting it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So be careful by writing if condition. So now what is happening? See, we are filtering a data. We are writing this query in last y because we need to sort it according to that.
Yeah. Got it. Got it. ठीक है ठीक है हाँ, मतलब ठीक
Ticketing.
प्रोसेसिंग के टाइम में इफ कंडीशन लग जाती है
हाँ,
तो हेंस वी
correct.
आर यूजिंग इट
हाँ. No, generally if ना बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता है. If
ओके
पे जो सारा काम है.
ओके
If person, let's say in your current insurance also you can have this. If age is this and their salary is this and this is this, then he is eligible for this type of premium. Correct. And how much premium
या
amount should be there for per month? You can calculate it again at that.
या
Huh. So here are all the six. They have tried by using of do loop. Instead of using a single, they are trying to do it by do loop here. Because if you look the backend example which they have used it, they was using a same condition and creating one variable. And they was using a same condition creating another variable. So to reduce this, you can use a do grouping, correct? So they have used over here. Now if you go to sum statement, now this is again interesting one and people get confused over here. So now we try to use with new example. Let's say data new set of your SAS user.admit. Your total. So just we are doing a cumulative total plus your fee. Correct? So now before that I'll do one thing. If sex is equal to male, then your fee should be missing. I am just making a data set like that only, so that we come to the conclusion of that. So now this is my correct data set, correct? So where I said wherever the male is there, make them as missing. For female, let it be. I now wanted to make a total. total based on your fee. Correct. So ideally, if you look for fee, you don't have value for mail. Correct. Now you're trying to do a total. So see, when you go to the PDV concept, now you created a total column.
Yeah.
By default, total value is what? Missing. Correct. Correct. In a PDV, your missing value will be a dot. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was just discussing about this, where I'm saying it. So if you look the PDV concept, what is the total initialized value? It's missing. It's a missing when you
Yeah.
speak about numeric.
Missing.
So what we are doing over here, if you look at the formula, we are just doing total is equal to total plus fee because to make accumulated number, correct? So now go to the logic. We have total as dot. So dot plus any value, what will come? Dot only, na? Getting it? So by you while using of this statement of your with your assignment operator, be careful the value should present. In the any cases on this side or this side, if value is not present, you'll be getting a missing. Correct? Because as we wanted to do cumulative one, cumulative how it will happen? You need to add this to by this to get it this. Again add this to by this, get it this. Like that will happen, correct? Then in last you will get the total of that, correct? To avoid this, we already have one function which is called retain functions. So I can do one thing. I can initialize the retain keyword, and we can say, okay, I can say retain your total by 0. So now initial value is what? 0. Correct? Now try to execute. Now I said, now you get the total, but now it is not happening for below 1, correct? As we have missing. Now I'll comment this. I'll try to execute. Now you're getting a cumulative one, correct? Correct. So remember it. If this side is missing, your initialized value should be retained as 0. Then now we have a problem with this side, correct? When you make it like that. So when you have that,
Okay. Condition लग रही है तो period हो रही है fee वाली.
so now there is another way of doing that so that we should not get missing. So you can say now यहाँ पे आपका if का condition लगेगा. So now you have to tell your sentence if, correct? If your sex, your fee value is missing, correct? Is equal to dot, then total is equal to total plus fee.
Okay.
Now it won't work. Correct. Now we have to do in a reverse way. Else. same condition query will work. Wait. So we'll use this keyword if mi missing fee now see. So what we are doing it now by condition, if you look, I said wherever, so this things you can write in a two ways, correct? I use with function, you can use by this too. Okay, so now condition is in a different way. I'm just trying to do it, so we'll get the output same. Sorry. So try to look this. Retain is helping me to retain the value of total, correct? That is a part we left.
Yeah.
Now for second, wherever missing is there, I'm telling it directly, use the earlier value, what is there, hold as a total.
Okay.
So it is not getting repeated, correct here? Now wherever missing is not there, you make a total. Getting it? So now
ठीक है, total is equal to total, ठीक है. So
हाँ, तो
अभी ये जो sex is equal to f है, अगर f है तो आप fee इंक्लूड नहीं करना चाहते हो.
क्या होता है ना, जैसे कि आप देख
पीरियड
अभी जैसे मान लो कि किसी मंथ में किसी ने पे नहीं किया, आप बोल रहे हो कि मैं ऑफर उन्हीं को देंगे जो सब मंथ पे किया होगा, तो इट बिट डिफिकल्ट ना. तो अभी एक मंथ किसी ने नहीं दिया होगा तो उस मंथ में उसका तो मिसिंग होगा.
राइट,
करेक्ट.
ठीक है.
उस केस में मैंने लॉजिकली
आपने यहाँ पे फीमेल वाले को पीरियड कर दिया फ्री.
हाँ, तो अभी क्या है, मेरे पास डेटा मिसिंग है.
सारी फीमेल्स का, अच्छा मतलब, हाँ ठीक है, ओके.
मेरे पास फीमेल्स का वैल्यू नहीं है मेरे पास में, तो अभी मैं उसी को पेड करूंगा जिसका.
ठीक है.
गेटिंग इट? सो हियर यू विल बी
ओके देन फी total else total is equal to total plus. ठीक है.
So here you can directly say, with the help of this also you can say what is the total amount of fee for a male is 1268. Correct. If you add together, so this is the fee of only for females.
Yeah.
Getting it? Male. Sorry for this.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
So see, condition will help you to do in your way. So this will be get reduced by using of your retain function. So actually what retain does, with the help of retain, we tell SAS not to do this again. So initially, what is the default behavior of SAS? To reset your PDB as dot, correct? Remember it every time, correct? So now with the help of retain, we are telling SAS not to reset as dot. So that see, PDB is getting each and every time reset, correct?
Yeah.
So when you reset, it's go to dot. So that to avoid that, we use retain. We tell SAS not to do this. If you tell SAS not to do this, you have to use the keyword called retain. Getting it?
Yeah.
See, when you start writing program in SAS now, you will feel very enjoyable. I for past 1 year and 1 year 2 months over in Genpact. I daily I code. I never feel bored.
Right.
So it is different language, and you play with your data, around with data.
Yeah.
So use SQL query, use join, you use your all macro function. You will feel when. So what happened na? End of the day when I look my code na, I'll get tensed. I wrote this much code, 1,500 lines, 2,000 lines.
Yeah.
To get this one particular output.
So just curious to know, ऑफेंस इंडस्ट्री में भी मार्केट है, तो पता नहीं क्यों कुछ लोग पेसिमिस्टिक होते हैं, क्या होते हैं डिस्करेज करने के लिए, दे ऑलवेज से SAS तो पुरानी हो गई है. SAS is
नहीं
not
नहीं
the
नहीं
same
नहीं.
as SAS. मतलब, so a lot of people in my team keep on saying. So they said कि, so they were sort of encouraging me. So they said कि you should also learn new languages. SAS के अलावा भी develop a forte. तो मैंने कहा हाँ, obviously it makes sense.
नहीं नहीं.
उनका logic था
हाँ, मैं
not because
उसको बोलो कि देखो
ज़्यादा
ये क्या
learn
है
कर.
ना. नहीं नहीं देखो, अगर एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज अच्छे से पढ़ लिया ना तो दूसरे में समझने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऑल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज
Okay.
is same.
Yeah, right.
So if you are learning SAS, you can write the same logic into different language also, because this
Yeah, yeah.
language is based on C++. So
Yeah,
this is
SAS is based on C++.
so so it's good na. You are clear. See, now going ahead after 2 years, you won't be a programmer. You will be a manager. So you being a manager, why programming is required? Logic is required. No programming is required. You have to be clear with logic. So my
Right.
target is to know everything, but not to code. I'm not going to code for after 2 years. Will you going to code? No.
No.
Then being a manager, you won't code. You will only instruct people. So in sections, you should
Yeah.
know a single programming language with their logic.
Right.
You can tell,
Yeah.
this is the logic. So you think logic in a SAS way, and you can tell your programmers to do in R. It'll work.
Yeah.
So be confident in
Okay.
one programming language always.
Okay.
Getting it?
Right. Okay.
Leave it.
Yeah.
People are like that only. When you go to US, this is $104 per hour for this SAS programmer. You know cost. Go and check in net.
Yeah.
One
What is
not
the
four
cost like?
dollar. No, for a SaaS programmer,
Okay,
cost
per hour.
per hour $104. Now also,
Oh, okay.
it's not easy.
Okay. अच्छा, ठीक है हाँ.
This is not.
This is a concrete answer. I'll tell this them on their face.
You can say go and look at the US wage rate.
But this is more than enough to shut them.
$104 for 1 hour. Not for any other language they're going to pay.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And
Right.
and this clinical domain, FD, this is Medicine Research Center. Pharma domain, this is the mandatory software.
You told me. Yeah.
No, go any company of your, you go to your Kuntail, you go to IMS Health, you go to your India Research Center of Medical. They use this software called SAS. No software is permitted to use. Then see, one domain you are very strong. So later when you go and apply for be a programmer or be a manager, you will be asking, do you know SAS or not? Then what you will do? 3 domain is not going to get down. Your banking, pharma, or your real estates. So banking, they use the software. Go to your Citibank, biggest bank, HSBC. They use SAS.
Okay.
These are the company are liable to use SAS because this is data integrity. So when you use R, you can. This is open source, na. Data is very important for your clinical and banking. They won't use this open source.
But R is required by Microsoft.
R is used for your marketing more. Banking sector they won't use and they won't allow to use because this is open source.
Okay.
The main problem is that. So data scientists they can use it. So how many data scientists will be there in a company? Where will be less people, and they will be short of pressures. So they always focus. See, SAS is all having integrations. Now SAS, the advanced SAS, if you look like in your 9.4 or somewhere, they have features to add your all different type of databases together, and you can run those multiple statistical query, working very smoothly now. So this is good software. So even my company itself, they are using very largely.
Okay.
So I knew because I'm training it people in my Genpact 2 also. Next batch is coming on 28.
Okay.
So Genpact level worldwide, I'm taking trainings. So people are interested and they're doing it.
Okay.
Within 1.5 years, I reached to my target where I wanted to be.
Yeah. Right.
So if I say, because see, day by day I interacting with people
Yeah.
who is working on SAS. there is one team is there in my, he will not use any other language apart from SAS. They will comfortably working on SAS. They're working for your payment and wages systems for a US one payroll company. So many people use. See, people who secure about data, they will use only SAS. We never face any problems here, and it's going to interact with all those. You have ETL already enabled. You can talk with the peoples. Do you know what is ETL? Extraction, transformation, loaded. Informatica is there, na? We used to convert the data from one data type to another data types. So now you can, so you get this data into text. You can convert into table now. Now look at the Hadoop. What we are doing into Hadoop? We are getting a data into unstructured and converting into structure, because analysis only can be done through only in structured data, not in unstructured. So this is the biggest platform. You can access TB, GB, petabyte data also too. So this software, why people will leave? So many feature. It is not like SAS. It is not like R. We have data. This is working into random access memory, and there's a limitation with your R also. You know, it depend upon your RAM capacity. If you have 2 GB of RAM, only you can access 2 GB in your R. It is not like SAS. You can directly connect to the server and you can use aram se.
Right.
Many feature is there. People go by word of mouth. People don't go in.
Factually, लोगों का base होता है. So my point is, with people with whom I was interacting, they are like consultant, process consultant, operations excellence and all. So वो तो बस process mapping और वो consulting देते हैं. They are not into analytics.
That's what I'm telling you. When you go on top of manager or senior manager level, you won't work. But you should be clear with your logic. For a logic, one programming language is enough. See how many programming language you can learn within the short period of a year. You cannot. You should be good in one. Look a company who is only working on SAS, then also good. Many companies. Why we switch for R then again? Now R is there. Now H2O is there. There is another programming language H2O. How many programming language you learn? Open source is coming day by day. SAS is not open source. It's a licensed version. For a one single license, you have to pay 3,28,000 rupees. We are paying it by company. See, people are using now. They're investing 3,28,000 for single FT. There is something, na? They already analyze it. Why we are using it? We are not going to think about that. But it's not going to ramp down. 1962 still is working. और इतना पुराना है, हाँ स्टिल इवॉल्विंग, और इतना पुराना है कि वो तो कुछ ना कुछ नया डालेगा ही डालेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि इसे बंद कर देगा. इसमें कुछ एड ऑन ऐड करेगा, क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी अच्छा है, इतना अच्छा है प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, इसको क्यों बंद करेगा कोई भी. Who can afford they can buy, cannot who cannot. ये तो बात वही हो जाएगी ना, अफोर्ड वाली कंपनी जो अफोर्ड कर पाएगी शायद रख पाएगी. और उसके कंसल्टेंट एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना, इसके कंसल्टेंट भी महंगे हैं. SAS के कहाँ पे इजी में मिल जाते हैं आपको सस्ते में? कौन सा प्रोग्राम? सी $104 पर आवर यूएस में. इंडिया में भी कोई भी प्रोग्रामर बताओ SAS का प्रोग्रामर वो सस्ते में काम करता हो? नेवर. कोई भी दिखा दो आप, नहीं है सस्ते में, कहीं भी नहीं है. तो जब इतने महंगे हैं, तो अगर एक भी किसी को मिल गया अगर हार्ड वर्क करके, तो दे विल बी हैप्पी ना. हमें दूसरों से क्या मतलब है, वो खुश है ना खुश है, हमें उससे मतलब नहीं है. हमको तो अपना प्रोग्रेस करना है. दूसरे को सोच के कभी चलने का नहीं. नहीं, मैंने फिलिप्स का वहाँ पे सेमिनार अटेंड किया था ना, एनालिटिक्स का वर्ल्ड वाइड होता है. हाँ, तो उसने एक ही बात बोला था, यू डू योर जॉब्स, मैनेजर इज देयर टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर ऑटोमेशन वर्क. यू लर्न मोर, implement more, be clear with your logic. Once your logic is clear, now see what we did over here. We use logic. If someone says how to calculate offer based on your percentage of 20% and plus percentage of 20%, you can say, okay, if you use this, and see, the way of writing will get changed, the concept will not get changed. लॉजिक तो चेंज नहीं होगा. तो लॉजिक आपको एक प्रोग्रामिंग से आ जाएगा. दूसरे के लिए आप गूगल कर सकते हो. उसको बोलोगे ठीक है मेरे को बताओ इफ कंडीशन कैसे लिखते हैं गूगल में फॉर आर में, तो आप टाइप करोगे, आपको लॉजिक तो खुद ही बिल्ड है. You have to keep this, that's all. तो इसलिए आगे 2 साल में मैनेजर बनना है तो ये ज्यादा लैंग्वेज पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक पे कमांड करो, फोकस करो, काम खत्म, अपना टारगेट पूरा करो, दूसरे को तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है.
राइट.
वो बोलते हैं ना अधूरा काम कभी भी पूरा नहीं होगा. इधर भी थोड़ा किया, इधर भी थोड़ा किया, काम खत्म. आज मेरे से सैस में कोई पूछ ले, मैं बढ़ रहा हूँ ना, तो वही है. मैं लोग बोलते थे पहले, आज देखो सैस में मैं अपनी जगह पे ठीक हूँ. कोई काम नहीं होता है तो सैस में ही होता है हमारे पास में. अगर डेटा साइज जैसे अगर अभी क्या है मेरे पास डेटा 16-20 लाख से ऊपर का डेटा आता है.
ओके.
जब 20 लाख हो गया ना तो एक्सेल तो बोलेगा ही नहीं कुछ. तो ओपन ही नहीं होगा एक्सेल. और एनालिसिस को हाफ ऑफ करके एनालिसिस तो नहीं कर सकते.
राइट. तो फिर रिजल्ट भी नहीं आएगा उसका.
हाँ, पॉपुलेशन डेटा पे ही होगा. तो वही चीज है. किसी को समझाएं, समझ जो यूज करता है ना उसे दर्द पता होता है, जो यूज नहीं करता उसे नहीं पता होता. Okay, so this you can use now happening over here when you use retain function or total, and when you have missing into this particular variable you won't get the output, correct? So missing this 2000 plus missing, you will be getting missings. To avoid this we have used the keyword called missing or particular name called this.
Okay.
So here they have used not missing, not in the sense reverse way of that. So here you can use here. So here we use not single query. I can use it. No missing of fee. So ideally you can use directly like this. I'm using this, and if I delete this also this will work. But here I have to use
then
plus fee.
Total is equal to plus fee आएगा, right? ठीक है. समझ गया.
Same it will work.
मतलब वो एक ही बात होगी.
Not. We are directly saying not. I am not going to include the missing word. Missing value we are not going to include with the keyword call in not. So or not and these are your returning the true value and true and false value. So another way of doing it by using this sum statement, which is called as variable plus increment.
Okay.
So directly you can use. So if I remove all those, I can use total plus fee. So when you are using this query, so this is your variable, this is going to be variable. This is the one of the way to use your cumulative one again. If you use this,
बहुत सिंपल हो गया फिर तो.
हाँ, बट हर जगह यूज नहीं होता ना. हर जगह यूज नहीं कर सकते आप. जब आपके पास टोटल क्रिएटेड है उस केस में नहीं होगा. तो इसमें क्या होता है ना, ये इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर है. प्लस का मतलब इंक्रीमेंट. Whatever, if you're writing a long formula also, this will become increment.
Okay.
ये ignored होता है अगर missing है तो. If it is missing, then it's going to be ignored. So here.
Okay.
So.
ठीक है. मैं ये पूछने
So variable is retained. We don't want to use retain function now. Missing नहीं आएगा. So variable first level पे जहाँ पे earlier we was able to get this missing, correct? At the initial level. Now at initial level they are going to initialize by 0.
Okay. अच्छा इस function में.
हाँ.
इस function. ठीक है. Okay.
So
where variable is initialized at 0. Okay.
Yeah. So see, directly if you write this function, you'll get the output. And this is the one of the way if you wanted to count the number of missing in your data set. This is a simplest way. Now if you look your data set, okay, if I wanted to know how many missing is there in data set, fee, how many fee misses missing. So I said, let's say if you wanted to count in your particular process that how many installment are pending. So I can say fee
if
equal to dot or missing. You can use the keyword.
हाँ ठीक है, right वो आ जाएगा.
Okay. So count plus 1. So we are telling about what? If this is true, we'll add 0, add 1. If it is not true, add 0. That will happen, na? If a condition is true, the increment will be 1. If condition not true, increment will be 0.
अच्छा.
So you're getting 11 missing as there. Getting it?
Yeah.
So this is used by this keyword.
So if counter is the keyword to miss counter.
No. You can write anything.
अच्छा.
So this is the variable name created. I'm using this some condition only. Initialize at 0. This is
अच्छा
ignore.
okay. अच्छा मैंने वो देखा नहीं, ठीक है.
Okay. Now do is going to start now. So we generally talk about all sum total statement. Now what is do? Do is, although it is used to iterate your data set, correct? So let's say if I am going to write this query, what will happen in this case? I'll get year 1, year 2, year 3 and their interest, correct? This only we are doing over here. If you look at year plus 1, we are using that sum statement, and again we are using sum statement, and this is your increment adding with the total, correct? Getting your output. So total जो आ गया यहाँ पे total हो गया, और year plus जो भी हो गया यहाँ पे 0 plus 1 1 हो गया, यहाँ पे 1 plus 1 2 हो गया. So to get this output we have to write query 3 times, correct?
Yeah.
So instead of that, what you can do, you can use do. How we can use do now? Correct? This is for 1 year, 2 and 3 years.
Yeah.
Different principle will come. Now to this particular program, if you wanted to change it, so let's say I'll keep this till here. This is the common one, correct? With the help of do, how we are gonna perform? So now I wanted to calculate for how many years? Do year for 3, correct? Calculation need to be done for 3 years, correct? And what output need to be required? This calculation need to be required, correct? Paste it over there. Then output, because we required output. Then and run. Now if I am going to use this, now this format is required, I guess. I'll keep the format on top. Correct? Same output you are getting it. So
for example, if you this is salary, इनकी salary है 120.25 और मुझे आपको बोलते हैं कि size total count करना है, मतलब symbol जैसे $125 $125 और 20 पैसे जो भी है 20 cents. तो ये इसमें जो डॉट है वो भी काउंट करेंगे कि सिर्फ $6 सिंबल को?
नहीं पूरा काउंट करेंगे, पूरा काउंट करके
काउंट होगी, डॉट भी काउंट होगी.
हाँ पूरा काउंट होता है. Let's say you have, let's say 4000.22. If you wanted to remove, you count whole. So it is a 9.2. It's actually a 9.2.
Okay.
Okay. अरे SAS में तो बहुत चीजें हैं, it's complex. हमने तो कुछ भी थोड़ा ही पढ़ा 1%. Okay, so we can do it this by earlier command. By now, if you want to calculate for 5, 10, whatever it may be, you can do it. Correct. Now this is your principal amount, let's say, and this will be interest. How many year? If you wanted to calculate for 10 years, how much you'll get? We say na, you invest your 5,000 8,000 into bank with this interest rate. I'll give you in 10 years how much I'll give you, correct? So you will get to know how many I can get it with the help of that. तो भैया इतना पैसा मिलेगा 10 years पैसा जमा करोगे तो
Yeah. Yeah.
तो वो कैलकुलेशन यहीं से होता है.
Mm-hmm.
Policies में भी if you pay premium of this much and paying for this much for a 5 years, this much you'll get, and based on that, if I'm going to invest somewhere and if I'm going to somewhere else, how much I'll get and add those value, it will be a fixed amount for you.
Mm-hmm.
You can use multiple things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is simply about you can use it this by do they have used it. Now this is a simple way to showcase of your if you wanted to do a square root, we just not did correct 2 ka table,
Mm-hmm.
so this you can do it. Do it very good, but be careful while using it. And this is the way of doing it by increment, by decrement, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the formula which inside if you whatever you're writing it will go for that much time, correct? So this is a formula they have written it. Based on that they are creating a plot. So I think it should work.
Plot save graph.
Okay, here is the problem. Okay, let's see. So this is for negation. Okay, power of 3.
Power of 3. 2x.
So what is the output? Equations. No data observations corrected. Okay. Let's see why it is like that. 0.1. सिंबल का पंगा क्यों है?
X.
वही मैं देख रहा हूँ कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
तो X सेंसिटिव के अंदर तो केस सेंसिटिव.
अभी
X कैपिटल
माइनस का कुछ पंगा बता रहा था. So let it be. We'll look at later. So generally they are creating a plot. So no use at all.
So you do it by gplot. Gplot data is equal to equation.
So
plot by
scatter plot.
By your X.
So you can use bar also. Let's say we use bar. So this is you use bar. Oh, 0 is top. So you have histogram again. You can use histogram. Somewhere is there. Many is there. Histogram, univariate, lift chart. You all analysis you can do. Linear regressions, logistics, all work over here only.
Charging.
Oh, you're putting in charging. Okay. Okay, so and this is another way of writing your do statement. So instead of we talked about start to end. Okay, So here, what we are doing, we are directly focusing on 1, 2, 5, 10. Getting it? So here directly you can point out to the particular value.
Okay.
Same thing happen over here. You can by this same thing you can write in different way. So here I'm saying you should fix by 1, 2, 3, and start to end is this. So here number will come. This is the fix. Then start with 5, add 2, 2 goes to 9. Then start with 100. Okay, 100 to 200 by 50. So start with 100, 150 goes to 200.
नहीं मुझे समझ में 2 and 1 3 आया, फिर उसके बाद वो इंक्रीज करेगा उसको 2 से, तो 3 फिर 5
So sometime in your data set the value is like that, and you wanted to point out that value to do for calculations. So it will look only that number of value, not other value they'll look.
तो by 100 कब क्लिक होगा?
ये by हाँ
by 2, 100, तो मुझे 1 3 5 7 9 समझ में आ गया। इसके बाद 100
हाँ तो आपने फिर बोला कि अब 100th पोजीशन से रीड कर, 100th पोजीशन से कैलकुलेशन कर।
अच्छा,
तो to give them instruction you can do it like that. Hello.
हेलो, या आई रिव्यू लाइट चली गई।
Yeah, okay. So
हाँ, सो मुझे 9 तक समझ में आया, उसके बाद क्या हो रहा
see
है?
what happened. So you can keep your iteration like that. So if you wanted to tell SAS that go to the 100th position and do calculation, so with the help of do you can use the calculation as like that.
अच्छा,
Now
100
you can
to
try. I'll tell you the things now. I'll give you. You can try this. Now you have admit, correct? So let's say here we have a series number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I'm telling it I wanted to do calculation only for date 1 6 and 22.
ओके जी।
One of the way we have to do it by if condition, correct?
Yeah.
So for this only if I wanted to do, you can use with the help of do also you can perform. You can tell.
Okay.
So here we are telling for you do it for till 1 3 5 7 9. Now if I have 100 positions, 100 value over here, I want to do calculation for this. So it will go to the 100 position now. Now 100, 150 and 200. So here you can change it. So you have to start to end, na? And you can like this. You can try.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, so this is the interesting one. Now I wanted to store this 5 value in this section, and I want to store this 5 value in this section.
किस section में? अच्छा, active
Plus,
or
plus
placebo. Okay.
So now we are using at the rate. I'll tell you what is this. Okay. So we have symbol called at the rate and double at the rate. So this is talks about single trailing, and this is talks about your double trailing. Sorry. So this is talks about single drilling. This is talks about double drilling. This is for complete row, and this is for complete observation. Are you there? Hello.
You're saying to place a load.
Yeah. So now we are talking about single drilling and double drilling. So single drilling, whenever you want to read complete row,
Okay.
and when you talk about complete observations, you use double drilling.
Complete row or complete observation. But
no.
दोनों same चीज नहीं होती row और observation.
No, दोनों सेम अलग अलग है ना.
Row is in Excel, observation is a SAS term. This is what I am. This is where I am.
Complete. I'm saying complete. Whatever is written.
Okay.
So now we think about this way. 4, 4, 4. Now 5, 5, 5. And now. So this is your complete, correct?
अच्छा ओके कंप्लीट ऑब्जर्वेशन और वो रो होगी सिर्फ ये फर्स्ट
First
वाली हाँ ओके
okay. So now what happened over here, with the help of this you can stop going a pointer to next line.
okay
Getting it? So what happened, first I have to insert the value for 5. I need to get the 5 value. So input will go next to get the value. Correct. My do loop should work for 5 times. I'm saying I'm using a nested do loop here.
अच्छा ओ अच्छा ठीक है
Okay. So here I'm creating a one do with the one we are creating 2 values, passive and active, correct? And in that I'm creating a, so generally how it happen na, you create PLACEBO, correct? And this should be for 5 times. 1, it create like this.
अच्छा okay
2,
अच्छा okay got it
3, correct? This is your nested loop. It works like that only.
okay
5 times. And now I have to insert the value for this. So this scores, which is here, it should work for 5 times. Whatever is there inside of this do group, it will iterate number of times. So first will goes to 250, correct? 250. It should come like that. Then you have to 222, correct? Then you have 230, correct? Then you have 210. Then you have 199. So to get this, if I'm remove this, what will happen? It go to next line to read the value. Correct or not? By default behavior of SAS. Correct? So with the help of @ it is not moving it. It is getting fixed there itself. First you'll read this. First you'll read. If 5 is over, then pointer move to the next line, which means I'll come to this point. Getting it? So if you remove this and read, what will happen? See.
Run. Maybe no need to.
We'll get output. We'll get 2 observation.
Yeah.
1 observation.
Okay. Oh.
We don't have value for that. And that we are getting only for placebo. For active, we don't have value. When you include this, getting it? So double trailing we'll talk about later, but it's all about observations. Okay, so when I'll tell you how it works for a double @ So let's see. Here, remove this is not required now. Input, score, SCOR. We have two value called score 1 and score 2. Correct? Now I want to store this two value. So one should be this, one should be this. Again, one should be this. This. Correct? So if I use a single @ and look for the easy way. Correct? You'll get this only. Look for output. Correct? Correct, na? So now use this @ Then
नहीं ये रीड कैसे कर रहा है इसको? अच्छा 250 210 अच्छा ओके
so my line is not moving now. Complete observation is single line.
अच्छा लेट अस सपोज मुझे इसको डेटा को ऐसे पढ़ना हो कि 250 222 230 210 199 फर्स्ट रो इज स्कोर 1 अच्छा ये तो हो ही जाएगा ठीक है
ओके
ओके हाँ
so now next is again this is the main topic so do while and do until so be careful in this so you have do while and do until correct so do while का मतलब होता है तब जब तक हिंदी में बोले तो और do until का मतलब तब तक do until में क्या होता है you have to execute till end of that and if it is values matching then write your answers तो क्या होगा कि आप जब बोल रहे हो कि do until वो end पे जाके अगर गलत भी होगा तो आपको आउटपुट देगा correct but in the case of while we won't get the output first we look is this the value is true or not so simple example if you say your total equal to 500 then do something in this case this will won't work this will work so I'll quote these examples so this is works top of the loop correct मतलब पहले चेक होगा देन एग्जीक्यूट होगा ये पहले एग्जीक्यूट होगा until में देन चेक होगा सही है तो ठीक नहीं है तो फिर वो गलत वाला देके दे देगा getting it so I'll explain you what this because only need to understand logic here so here we are saying if total is greater than 100 so you have this fixed column correct so you need to execute that number of times when your total is greater than 200 so so you'll get 201 value so last record you'll get this so below we are doing calculation or not nothing we are doing it correct but in the case of 300 now you're saying total equal to 300 if total is greater than 3 total means 300 is greater than 200 is there na then execute it so you'll get only one record
greater than 200 ठीक है ये जो लास्ट वाला एग्जांपल 200 दिया ना
वो 100 था ना लेस देन वो 100 था इसलिए तो एग्जीक्यूट हो गया
अच्छा ओके
इसलिए दैट मच रिकॉर्ड यू गेटिंग यहाँ डायरेक्टली यू सेइंग 300 तो एक ही रिकॉर्ड आएगा आपको so here if you look you are getting a false value so your fixed is this so your value should not go above than that so now if you look same condition by while by 200 100 we are looking at So look for, there we use greater than 200, here we use less than. If you use greater than, you won't get value.
हाँ, इसमें तो ये लूप इनफिनिट टाइप का हो जाएगा,
हाँ, so if you
चलता ही रहेगा मतलब.
if you use less than, you won't get it. So now if you use less than, you said less than equal to, you won't get less than equal to ना. अगर यहाँ पे आप बोल रहे हो less than equal to, now go and look at the last iteration value. यहाँ पे कोई भी ऐसी वैल्यू है जो 200 है लास्ट में? नहीं है ना?
200 से ज्यादा है, नहीं है,
एग्जैक्ट
200 नहीं
200,
है.
एग्जैक्ट 200. सो नाउ ये तो वर्क करेगा ही नहीं आपका,
ओके.
ये नहीं करेगा ना वर्क. आई एम सेइंग लेस देन इक्वल टू,
हाँ, लेस देन इक्वल टू, राइट राइट. हाँ,
तो है ही नहीं. बट हमारा उस केस में हमारा ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू में हमारा अनटिल वर्क करता है, करेक्ट. वो एक एक्स्ट्रा वैल्यू दे दिया, जबकि वो मेरे लिए नहीं है. 201 का मैं क्या करूंगा? 1 रुपया एक्स्ट्रा कौन देगा आपको? नहीं देगा ना. So when you're thinking to calculate the exact value, then use your while. So that's why I say while condition tested at the top of the loop. If it is work, then it give you output. If it not work, you won't give you output. So in this case, you won't get output. That's why I said na, a block of a code, a statement, do while statement, execute as long less than or equal to 200. Then output will be identically output from the same program you will get. Now the case of this, will it work? आप देखो, ये कंडीशन सेम चीज हमने यूज किया था, डू अंटिल में किया था, तो हमने एक आउटपुट मिल गया था. पर आइडियली हियर वी शुड गेट द वैल्यू करेक्ट, इवन दो माय वैल्यू वाज ट्रू दैट टाइम. So here this is not true. Total is less than.
इसमें तो होगा ही नहीं.
हाँ, तो execute नहीं होगा. So here simple way you can understand, if you are using while, it checks the condition first, then execute this all those.
Okay, अच्छा.
But until के केस में पहले execute हो जाता है, तब वैल्यू मैच करता है, मैच हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay.
So until work bottom of the loop.
Okay.
While works top of the loop.
ठीक है. समझ गया.
Okay.
ठीक है.
So do until total is equal to 200. So this is statement portion of that. So here when you understood that there is an infinite loop coming up, and in that case, if you wanted to stop somewhere else, so you can use the break statement. Break in the sense you can break by this. You can define your number of observations. Even though loop is going to be infinite, but if you restrict it by this, it won't go to your infinite 2 also. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, इनफिनाइट लूप में कभी कभी ऐसा भी होगा कि आपका सिस्टम हैंग हो जाएगा. So in this case, always try to use a control works. So with the help of this, what will happen? My loop, even though it's going to infinite, but I can stop it to somewhere else. So let's see for this. I think it will be there. So if I not use this, so this is your break, correct? So you are getting so many observation for double, but if I want it for only for 100 position or 10 positions, so I can stop it to the particular positions. Here will not be 100, I guess. Then it is not. So I can stop it to, let's say, for 8 or 9. So with the help of this, you can calculation will happen for all those, but you will be getting value for till 8 record only. Correct. You can stop this again. So now last one is your leave and continue. So this is the simplest. I'll explain you here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. So case of leave, when I say Leave. I'm saying leave this two and continue. When you use this keyword called leave now, what will happen? If you say, if I'm saying if your let's say for this is a name called ID. If ID equal to 3, then leave. So what will happen? You won't get any observation after 2. You will get observation only 1, 2. 4, 3. So you'll get no. You'll get only this. You won't get this because you're telling after 3 you should leave it. I think 3 won't come. Yeah, 3 won't come. You should stop leaving. So I can show it to over here.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
Data set, not set. Do ID equal to 1 to 20. Okay. And I'm saying leave of this. Run. There should be a block of end. And then there should be a keyword called output. Correct? So in the case of so 3 को छोड़ेगा, सबको उठा लेगा ये फिर. देखो 3 नहीं है. तो ये हेल्पफुल है जब आपको बोलना है कि किसी का सैलरी अगर इतना ज्यादा हो रहा है तो उसको हम बोनस नहीं देंगे. So here they are using it. If the total is greater than 200, then leave. I don't want calculation to be performed after this. And for continue is when you're saying if total is less than 50, then continue. You can break your statement, correct? So this is your do loop is over. You have to read it, okay? And I'll create this exam, and you can have this with this particular weekdays. Okay. Any problem till now? Yeah, and you have to share your data and some sample like that so that I can go through and I can have a look.
Yeah, sure.
So because that is important to finish you.
Yeah.
Because that is client work.
Yeah. As of now,
okay. Okay then. I already uploaded the yesterday video. I'll share the path. Okay. Thank you. Bye.